This is 41 Today on 41 NBC.
Welcome back to this Monday edition of 41 Today. Amazon's drone delivery business has been grounded by government regulations, and Facebook parent Meta may cut more jobs this week. Jane King's at the NASDAQ market site with those stories and more in today's Tech Report.
Meta will reportedly target Reality Labs division as it looks to cut costs. Reality Labs is tasked with designing and building virtual reality headsets and metaverse technology. Well, Amazon's drone business is off to a slow start as regulations keep the business from taking off. To get approval from the FAA, Prime Air must complete several hundred hours of flying without incidents and then submit that data to the agency. Amazon had wanted to start the drone deliveries last year. Well, the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank has hit some small businesses as well as big ones. Etsy creators will see their payments possibly be delayed. Some businesses say they may not be able to make payroll. And audiobooks may be the next frontier conquered by artificial intelligence. Tech companies, including Apple and Google, have been working on AI audiobook narration for a while now. Audiobooks are booming. The market is expected to hit $33 billion by 2030, up from about $4 billion last year, according to Acumen Research and Consulting. From the NASDAQ market site, I'm Jane King with your Tech Report.